Are you ready to dive into the world of digital imagination and witness the magic of artificial intelligence come to life? Today, we're exploring Leonardo AI, a cool tool that turns your ideas into art. Whether you are an artist or just love creativity, this video is for you. Get ready to be wowed as we dive into the world of AI-powered artists together. Let's get started. First thing is first. You need to go Leonardo AI. So head over and type here Leonardo AI and then click here the first link. Once you are here, you can explore the platform. Yes, this Leonardo AI, you can create an stunning image. Yes, realistic image that generates image. So to get more tools, you need to create an account. To create an account, click here and then you can sign up in two ways. First, you can enter your email and then password and then you can sign in, or you can sign up with your Google or Apple or Microsoft. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So click here and use your account. So I'm using my account. Once you use your account, then you enter the platform. So first you need to make a username. So to create a username, make sure you create a unique username. So I'm typing my name and then choose your interest. Okay, you see that this username is available, then confirm and then next. So you are here, Leonardo AI. So in this section, all this section and this section, these are AI tools that Leonardo AI has, and you will create anything you want. So this section, the first section, is where you can generate an image, and then this is the motion where you can the images you have, you can convert a video. Yes, you can make your videos, you can make your images into a video.
Wow.
So and this section is the Leonardo community. So all these images are created by the people or the community of the Leonardo AI. Once you create an account and create or generate an image, this will be public. So any image you generate will be public. Yes, all these images are created by the Leonardo AI community. So in this section, you see that you have 150 tokens. So what is a tokens? Tokens means a credits that you have every 2 hours or 4 hours every day. So once you want to create an image, you need to have a credit. So every 4 hours or 2 hours will receive these credits and will give you another 150 again every time. So tokens are the credits you want to create an image. Our video, we will explain these tools, this section and this section. So we need to create an image. So first we need to create an image. So to create an image, click here and then so this is the way you type a prompt. A prompt means a few words that describes your image, and then Leonardo AI will understand your words and will convert an image that you want. So to make understanding images and the best image, you need to have a best prompt or a best words that you describe your words. So in this section, you enter your prompt and then you click here and generate your image. Or you can also in this section also you can create every image that you want, maybe 2, 3, 4. By default it is 4. So if you only want for 2 images, you select 2 and then you can have 2 images. Also you can have transparency image. All these images will be public. You see that every image you generate will be public. So also the dimensions will be in these dimensions by this size. So all these sections are important. So I need 4. So to create an image you need to enter your prompt. So I enter my prompt like this: create space shape that in wall. So click here. Leonardo AI will create that image. You see that Leonardo AI created our image. So in this section you can create everything you want. Yes, everything you want, you can create anything you want. So also you can type create a girl stands in the center of the street, and then click here. You see that Leonardo AI will create our image. So these are the images. So you see that. So you can type anything you want in here. Also you can improve your prompt. So I entered in this section a prompt. So what if I want to improve like color or environment, the background and anything? Leonardo AI will improve your prompts. So click here and then type here. Click here, improve. Leonardo AI will improve our prompt and create new image. You see that our prompt is improved. So click here. You see that. These prompts are improved by Leonardo AI. I only entered a few words and improve it Leonardo AI. So you see that everything you want you can create in here. So we enter it. Another example: apartment, and then click here and improve this prompt. I only enter it. Yes, you see that our prompt. You see that our prompt improve it, and then click here. Oh, see that Leonardo AI created our images. You see that all these images are created by the AI. If you like one of these images and you want to create like this image, you can only select the image like this, and then you copy the prompt of this image like this, and then cancel, and then go to the image generation. So this is our previous prompt. So paste here, and then so when you paste here and then click here, you see that you get exactly the images. Yes, anything if you like, maybe if you like for this image, anything you want, anything if you want this image, only click here and copy the prompt, and then go back and click here, and then paste here, and then click here. You see that Leonardo AI created the images. So if you like the images you see in the community, in Leonardo AI community, and then you will recreate that image if you want. So you see that our tokens are reduced. You see that now it is 84. So if you want to create a video, what will you do? So first go here, and so click here, and then select, and then you can create in two ways. First, you can create your video based on your images, or you can go in the community section, and you can select which picture you want. So I'm going my images, so I'm going this image. So I want to convert this image into a video, so click here confirm, and then create. You see that our video is live. Yes, you see that our video, this is our video. So in every image you can convert a video like this. Yes, also you can create like these images, every image you want. Yes, you see that you can create another image and you can convert a new video. Yes, you see that it is all generated AI. So this is how to create a video using Leonardo AI. If you want to create a new prompt using Leonardo AI, you can click here, prompt generation. Yes, and type here whatever you want, like create a kit stands in front of his school, and then click here. Yes, you can create 4 new prompts. So click here, you can generate everything like this. Copy. So when you copy and then paste here, and then churn it. See that? The image we want is this. Yes, Leonardo AI created the image. So all these images are created by the Leonardo AI. You see that Leonardo AI created this image. So this is how to create anything you want when you want to create a new stunning images in the Leonardo AI. How about if you want to create these images and convert a video? You only click here and then click here and then choose or recreate what image you want and then confirm and then generate and then go back your images and wait when it's ready your video. You see that our image is now live. See that our image is now live. So every image you want you can convert to a video. Every image you want you can convert a video. So this is how to create a video. Create your account. So you now click here and then you can use whatever you want, whatever plan you want. So you see that this plan is $10, this plan is 24 a month, and this is 48. You see that? Maybe you don't like the platform. What if you want to delete all this account? You need only to go your name. You need to go in this section, account management, and then delete your account. And then type here or copy paste your name exactly the way it's written. So paste here when stick and then delete my account. Our account in Leonardo AI is now deleted. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of Leonardo AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring as you explore the endless possibilities of AI-powered creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and reviews. See you in the next video.